After my kids go to bed, I usually lie down and watch TV or YouTube for a bit. I thought it would be nice to have an accent sofa and a lamp next to the bed, so I could sit and read comfortably. This time, I wanted to thrift a lamp and give it a simple makeover. At the thrift shop, I found the exact shape I wanted, so I grabbed it right away. The base is made of cement. It's heavy, stable, and I love the color. It was only $8.99. It didn't have a lampshade, so I got one separately for $3. I also found out on YouTube that there are rechargeable light bulbs that don't need a cord. You can get them on Amazon. Since I learned about these bulbs, I realized I could turn any table or floor lamp into a cordless one. So I decided to give it a try. There's a small space next to my bed, and that's where this lamp will go. First, I'm removing the cord and getting it ready for painting. I think lighting is one of the most important things that make a home feel cozy. When reading, if the light is beside you, your hand can cast a shadow on the page. That's why I really like lamps that curve down from above. They're perfect for reading. I'll be using 3 things: the lamp base, the lampshade, and a rechargeable light bulb. I'm covering the gray cement base so it won't get paint on it. I want to keep that part as is. I also took off the metal hardware from the lampshade so I can paint it. It's nice that this shade can be taken apart. It's my first time doing this, so I'm not sure if all shades are like this. To match the colors in my room, I'm going to paint the lamp base black. I used the same spray paint that sticks well to metal, the one I used in my last project. I'll link all the products I used in the description box below, so feel free to give it a try. Now I'm painting the lampshade hardware too. When painting, patience is key. You've got to give it some time to dry. The paint is all dry. It's time to put everything together. I'll add the light bulb and then reassemble the shade. I heard about something called biased thinking, especially the illusion of ease. When you see someone do something and think it looks easy, so you believe you can do it easily too. I used to feel that way watching YouTube videos. But when I started making my own, I realized it actually takes quite a bit of preparation. Still, I'm getting better and more comfortable each time, and that feels really good. Ta-da! I love how it turned out. Let's bring it to my room and set it up. I turned it on last night and read a book. It felt so warm and cozy. I can't believe the whole makeover cost only $21. It looks so much cleaner without any cords. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Can't wait to see you next time.